In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Copilot Pro in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into what Copilot Pro can do for you. Think of it as your digital assistant, designed to help you create stunning presentations in no time. It leverages advanced AI technology to assist with everything from layout suggestions to content generation, making it an invaluable tool for both beginner and experienced users. First things first, ensure you have the latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint installed on your device. Microsoft regularly updates its software, often expanding features and enhancing functionality. So if you haven't checked for updates recently, go ahead and do that now. Open PowerPoint, click on File in the top left corner, and select Account. There, you should see an option labeled Update Options. Click on it and choose Update Now. This will ensure that you're working with the most up-to-date version of the software. Once you've confirmed that you have the latest version installed, it's time to enable Copilot Pro. Start by opening PowerPoint. When it launches, look for the ribbon at the top of the screen. The ribbon is where all the tools and features you need are located. If you don't see the Copilot Pro icon right away, don't worry, it's easy to find. Now, if you check the Home tab on your ribbon, you might notice a new section or icon labeled Copilot. This is where your magic begins. If you see the Copilot icon, go ahead and click on it. If it's not readily visible, try looking under the Insert tab as well. Sometimes Microsoft organizes features in surprising ways. When you click on the Copilot icon, a sidebar will pop up on the right side of your screen. And here is where the fun starts. You'll find multiple options that assist you in creating your presentation. Don't be intimidated. The interface is user-friendly. You can ask it to help brainstorm ideas, generate content, suggest designs, and even create slides based on the prompts you provide. Let's take a moment here to explore how to get the best out of Copilot Pro. When you're in the sidebar, try typing in specific requests. For example, if you're working on a presentation about climate change, type something like, "Create an outline for a presentation on climate change impacts." The AI will process your request and provide you with a structured outline that you can modify as needed. Another useful feature is that you can ask Copilot to help with text optimization. If you have a slide filled with bullet points, you might want to transform that into a more engaging narrative. You can select the text on your slide and prompt Copilot with, "Can you make this more concise and impactful?" Watch as it works its magic by refining your content, ensuring it flows nicely and is engaging. As you're working, you may encounter the option to utilize pre-designed templates suggested by Copilot. This can be a true time saver. Just like artists have palettes of colors, PowerPoint provides visual styles that can enhance the look of your slides. To use this, click on the Design tab in the Copilot sidebar and explore the different templates available. You can then choose one that fits the theme of your presentation beautifully. As you dive deeper into your project, feel free to revisit Copilot anytime you're in need of inspiration or assistance. Its power lies not just in generating ideas, but also in making the process enjoyable and efficient. To wrap up, enabling and using Copilot Pro and Microsoft PowerPoint can significantly elevate the quality of your presentations. Don't forget that it's all about experimenting with features and finding what works best for you. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them down below. And remember to subscribe